How to fix update is required to use the cellular data on this iPhone. If you're struggling with the same issue, this video is right for you, as I brought you some tips and tricks on how you can solve this problem. Firstly, go and tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option called General. Once you tap into it, it will take you to the new page. Scroll down again and tap on the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Once you do it, it will now automatically reset all of your network settings and might help you to fix your problem. Similarly, you can also shut it down by restarting it. Tap on Shut Down and it will be shut down. In this way, you can easily fix your update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.